Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Saha, and in this lecture series we are delving deeper into the nitty-gritty of genetic algorithms. Till now we have covered what is genetic algorithm and what are the applications of GA. Then we have covered what are the different strategies with the help of different block diagrams. Then we have talked about the encoding techniques. After the encoding, it was the selection. And then we have covered the crossover techniques of GA. So as you can see in this particular slide, how new states can be generated, that has been described. The details has already been shared to you. Currently, we will be focusing on mutation. That was the second stage of reproduction. So this is the basic block diagram of any GA. After the selection in the reproduction stage, the first stage was crossover, and after the crossover it is the time for mutation. So here in this particular lecture we will be discussing about mutation techniques. Mutation is a genetic operator to provide genetic diversity from one generation to another, and it helps to generate new population locally. It is a way to reach global minima when the algorithm is trapped in the local minima. So basic principle of mutation is that is if one particular position, that is the mutation point, the value is 1 for a binary coded gene, then after mutation the value will be 0. This is the basic formula of mutation. So the mutation techniques in binary coded GA, there are basically three types: flipping, interchanging and reversing. And what is binary coded GA? That has already been told in the encoding techniques of genetic algorithms. Binary means that is the genes will be encoded by only 1 and 0. So the first technique of mutation for binary coded GA is flipping. Here at the mutation point, corresponding bit in the current individual is flipped. That is, if the value was 0, it would have been 1, and if the value is 1, the value will be 0. So this is the parent gene structure before mutation. The value was 00101000. Suppose we are doing mutation at the third position. So at the third position the value was 0. So after mutation the value will be 1. So for the child population or the child individual, what was the result after mutation? That is 00111000. This is all about flipping mutation technique. Second one, interchanging. So in the interchanging mutation technique, we need to decide 2 points. Here the 2 points have been decided at the third position and at the 7th position. And after the 2 positions are chosen, the bits in those positions or those points are interchanged. You can see at the third position the value was 1 and at the 7th position the value was 0. So if we interchange them, then at the third position the value will be 0 and at the 7th position the value will be 1. So before mutation the parent population was or parent chromosome was 00101000, and after mutation the child chromosome is 00011010. This is interchanging. That is, 2 values are interchanged at 2 positions. The third mutation technique for binary coded GA is reversing. Here a point is chosen and the bit next to that position are reversed. So that is, suppose we have chosen the third position. The third position the value was 1. So next to the third position, the fourth position, the value was 0. So at the fourth position, the value will be reversed. So that is, at the fourth position, the value will be 1. So the parent chromosome value was 00101000. So after mutation, the result will be 00111000. This is reversing technique of mutation for binary coded GA. So the three techniques for binary coded GA mutation have been explained. I hope you have already understood it. If not, please let me know by commenting in this particular video. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Thank you everyone for investing your time, and happy studying.